We need to calculate the volume of earthwork using mid-sectional area method having formation width 10 meter and slope 2:1. The details of road are given below. The chainage in meter 400, 420, 440, 460, 480 and 500. The ground level and the formation level at each stations are also given. First we need to calculate the depth. The depth is formation level minus ground level. The difference of formation level and ground level gives us depth. So depth at station 1, that is 12.50 minus 11.50 is 1. Then depth at chainage 420 meter is 12.40 minus 11.60, which is 0.8. Then 12.30 minus 11.40, 0.9. 12.20 minus 11.20, 1. 12.10 minus 11.50 is 0.6, and at 500 meter 12 minus 11, that is 1. Hence the formation level at each station is greater than the ground level, so we need to calculate the earthwork for filling. When the ground level is above the formation level, we need to calculate the earthwork for cutting. So at each station, in the given problem, the formation level is more than the ground level. Hence in this problem we need to calculate the earthwork for filling only. Now in mid-sectional area method, we calculate the average depth, and from the average depth we calculate the total cross-sectional area, and then the total cross-sectional area is multiplied by the length, we get the volume of the earthwork. So earthwork calculations: the formation width is 10 meter and side slope is 2:1, so S is 2. The table comprises of different columns. The first is of chainage, second is depth, third column for average depth, then area of mid portion, then area of side portion, then total area is area of mid portion plus area of side parts gives total area, then distance between 2 points or 2 stations, area multiplied by distance between 2 points gives us the volume. This is the cross section area of the road. The central portion is rectangular, so area of that portion is B times of H, and the side parts are triangular, so area of one part is half of H square, so area of both the part is half times SH square plus half times SH square, which gives SH square. In the first column we write the chainage. The stations are 400 meter, 420 meter, 440, 460, 480 and 500 meter. Then the depth at each stations are now the average depth. The average depth is the average of 1 plus 0.8 divided by 2. We get the average depth between station at 400 meter and 420 meter. So the average depth is 0.9. 1 plus 0.8 divided by 2 is 0.9. Then 0.8 plus 0.9 divided by 2 is 0.85. Then 0.9 plus 1 divided by 2 is 0.95. 1 plus 0.6 divided by 2 is 0.8. 0.6 plus 1 divided by 2 is 0.8. Now area of mid portion, the area is B times H. Now B, the formation width is 10, so 0.9 multiplied by 10 is 9. 0.85 multiplied by 10 is 8.5. 0.95 into 10 is 9.5, then 8 and again 8. Now we need to find area of side parts, which is S times H square. So we calculate average depth, which is H, and the side slope, the slope is given, the value of S is 2, so 2 multiplied by 0.9 square is 1.62. 2 multiplied by 0.85 square is 1.45. 1.81, then 0.8 square times 2 is 1.28, again 0.8 square multiplied by 2 is 1.28. Now the total area is area of mid portion plus area of side parts. We need to add these two. So 9 plus 1.62 is 10.62, 8.50 plus 1.45 is 9.95, and so on. At each station 8 plus 1.28 is 9.28 and 9.28. Now the distance between 2 points, so the distance between 2 points is 20. 420 minus 400 is 20, so the distance is uniform. So the distance between 2 points or 2 stations is 20 in each case. Now this distance, when multiplied by total area, we get the volume, and we know in the given problem we need to calculate the volume for filling. So we write the values in the column of filling. So 10.62 when multiplied by 20, we get 212.40. 9.95 times 20 is 198.90. Then 226.10. 9.28 times 20 is 185.60, and 9.28 times 20 is again 185.60. Summing up all these values, we get total quantity of earthwork for filling, which comes out 1008.60 cubic meters. So thank you for watching.